I am fine, madam. Let me introduce myself. My
Yes.
name is Alankara Apparao. Basically, I am from Andhra Pradesh, but my born and brought up in Kolkata. Presently, I am residing also Kolkata because I am
Okay.
because I am doing in job in private sector job. That's why I settled in Kolkata. My job profession here is import and export job of documentation part.
Okay. Right.
Speaking about my qualification is only 10th pass.
Oh, okay.
Okay, actually, when I joined in this organization in 2006, I recommended someone to join this organization. That's why I entered in this organization because nowadays a 10th pass student where get the job,
Yes.
right? Uh,
Yes.
my intention to join this application, join this passionate about this language because I am doing my import and export job. A lot of time I have to speak with foreign clients.
Mm.
That is why I am very fascinated about this language. My
Okay.
writing, okay, but speaking ways some I have to develop.
Okay. You have to improve your spoken English.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Lot of videos I seen your in YouTube. That's why
Okay.
I as a lot of days I have waiting for your permission to speak.
Yes. Yes. I think it's been more than 20 days, right? You mailed me. Yeah, I
Yes.
know. Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Also I mailed to clapping not clapping. Oh. Ingectana English yari something there.
You had mailed.
Yeah, I mailed Ranjita Verma some
Rajini
tutor
Varma. Rajini
Ranjini
Varma. Mm.
Verma. And
Yeah, yeah.
also you are money day by day developing in speaking skills also.
Yes. Did you get a chance to talk to her?
No, I mailed, but till I not get any chance.
Yes. Because everybody is busy, we get so many mails. Yes. So how did
Then
you learn English?
I am learning. Actually, I am very fascinated about this language.
Yeah.
My qualification is low, okay, but my writing skill also good, not bad.
Mm.
I am earlier told I am import and export job doing, but
Yeah.
so I have to write written mails also, no.
You have to write mails as well, right? Yeah, your writing is good, but when it comes to speaking, you have to improve.
Yes.
Mm.
And then how can I took this subscription in your tutor institution?
I don't have any institution. I'm just managing it alone.
Okay,
I used to work for Inktalki, but now I'm
okay,
doing everything alone itself.
okay. Then the free fee, it is free or any fee I
No,
have?
just for one session for YouTube, I'll be doing free just for the first session. But when it come to classes, it is payable. So I take
Okay.
like 3 to 4 sessions in a week. So it depends on the learners thing also, how much time duration they want, how many sessions they want. So it depends on that.
After the completion of this talking, then you can please mail me. Then I will definitely took the subscription.
Sure. Yes. Yeah, if you have any questions for me, please ask.
I have no any question. You can ask me.
Um, okay, you told you were in Andhra Pradesh. Did you study in Andhra?
No. I'm studying in Kolkata because here is government school is there in Telugu medium.
Mhm.
I studied
Okay,
here. I studied
okay.
here. West Bengal
Mm.
board here also.
So how long did you stay in Andhra?
Andhra yearly twice or three times I am visiting
Okay,
native
who
place.
is there? Who is there in Andhra?
My grandparents.
Okay. Mm. So your native is basically Andhra.
Yes.
But
Because father came to Kolkata. 2006. 50 years ago, because they are not any job that time.
Okay.
They came to Kolkata. They are settled in Kolkata. That's why we were born and brought up also here. Every
Mm,
we are visiting to Andhra Pradesh.
okay. So how many years of working experience do you have?
In this organization, I joined in 2006 in this
Okay.
organization.
Mm, right. So it's almost 16 years experience?
Because my qualification low, that's why I can't switch to this organ to any. I can't able to jump any other organization.
Yes,
That's
yes. And that will also be a hindrance for your growth also, right? Professionally, you cannot grow because of your qualification. So why did you stop at 10th standard?
because economical that time lot of problem in our
Okay.
family. That's why
Oh, you have a financial problem in your family. That's why you couldn't. Okay.
we are
Okay.
four siblings, one sister, five siblings total. That
Okay.
time.
Right. Mm. So is
Uh,
all of your siblings are in Kolkata now?
no, no, two brothers are in Hyderabad. My sister also in Hyderabad, and me and
Okay.
my second one is in Kolkata.
Okay, both of you are in Kolkata. Fine. Mm. So how is it in Kolkata, the life in Kolkata?
Kolkata is a very big city. It is a Mahanagari, told you,
Yeah.
because nowadays it is a very job lacking place. Because here is in
Okay.
politics here.
Okay. Mm.
Called to Kolkata Sonar Bangla. Now it is not Sonar Bangla. Here people, a lot of people going to Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, they're, migrating to that state.
Mm.
Job
For job.
opportunity here. Right.
Mm. Mm. So what do you wish to do? Do you wish to continue in the same organization?
That is, if I perfectly learn English, then I have to switch to any other organization, because nowadays can't able to move any other organization, because my education qualification is very low, and my speaking skill also very poor speaking. That's why I
Mm.
can't able to anywhere. Anyway, I just if I learn English properly, fluently, then I have to move any other organization.
Mm. Yes. So can you tell me some strengths and weaknesses of yours?
Strength and weakness. Strength means, how can I tell you? Uh, if anybody asks me to anything, if I have, then not I further not to kept in my hand. I immediately give to them.
Okay, if somebody asks you something and if you have that thing, you will immediately give them.
Immediately give them. After that, I have no. I have or not. I don't have. That is
Okay. It doesn't matter after that you have it or don't have it, but you prefer giving it off. You're kind. You're
right. Right.
kind-hearted.
Right.
But for such people, sometimes, people misuse.
Right. So a lot.
They take advantage.
Someone also took the advantage from me, because every loopholes of our company where I'm working, I all convert to him.
Sorry, I didn't get you all.
Some I think 3 4 years ago, someone
Okay.
in a, organization where I'm working.
Okay.
So he's a fresh candidate. Then
Okay.
I have experience in this organization since
Mm,
2006. I
mm.
what he asking? He education qualified. I think he is a CA entered. Okay.
Oh. Mm, mm.
All the details, all the loopholes, what I have, everything is conveyed to him.
You conveyed it to him. Okay.
That
Mm.
he took advantages from me.
Yeah. So from then, become cautious after that? That I shouldn't
After
be so good next time.
that, from him, I am very cautious.
Mm, right. And what is your weakness? I think this strength of yours becomes your weakness, right?
Here is both, na, weakness and strength also.
Right. Yeah. Do you have any hobbies? What do you do when you have free time?
So a lot of people also asking me my hobbies regarding my. I have no any hobbies. I have two kids. One is studying +2 in
Okay.
Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh,
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Capital of Andhra.
capital of Andhra, Visakhapatnam. He is studying in 12th standard.
Okay. Mm.
He, Sri Chaitanya College there.
Yeah, yeah, I know. It has branches in Karnataka as well.
It also, na. He is studying in 12th standard, and another one is with us in Kolkata. He
Oh,
studied ninth standard. He given examination next from the January onwards. He will be in 10th.
okay.
My
Yeah.
hobbies is my son's hobby is my hobby. Actually, he is aspirant to IITN.
Mm.
Next in January he will be given examination in JEE.
Okay, he will give an exam.
Yeah, yeah.
JEE. Okay,
JEE.
okay.
After that, he will be 12th standard exam also in March. My in March. My hobbies is
Okay.
my son's qualification. My son's achievement is my hobby.
Mm. Means what you help him during your free time?
I helping him
Okay, right.
because he is in my native place, na, in Vizag. You know, no,
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, I know Vizag. So does he live in a hostel? I think there is a hostel attached to the college.
actually my wife's their parents in there Kottavalsa. He took a day scholar. He daily up down from him house to college.
Mm. So is he a very intelligent boy?
How can I say you in first year at 11th standard he got 94 marks
Oh,
percentage.
wow, that's very good. That's very good. And he's also having an ambition that he wants to join an IIT, right? So only if
Yeah.
you are very intelligent and you are eligible, if you think you are capable of doing that, only then you dream of doing it, right?
Yes, yes. Let me see if he JMS if qualified, then he can go
Yeah,
IITN.
yeah. It's a like a dream, right? When you get
Yeah,
into IIT, his life will be very good once he gets into it.
right. I took
Mm,
any decision. Na, actually, how can I took the decision? Actually, my income is also very low. Uh,
mm.
why I can't. Was a lot of people are asking me your hobbies. What is your hobbies? But I can't able to say them my hobbies. My hobbies
Yeah,
is one.
hobbies is something that you do in your free time. When you have free time, you watch movies or you listen to music. That is your hobby. When you are
Right,
sitting simply idle, you do something for time pass, right? That is called as hobby.
right.
Mm. So you don't have any of these practice? You don't read anything or you don't watch movies?
I am say here is book Atomic
Atomic
Habits.
habits. Yeah, right. Mm.
Also, a newspaper also reading every day and
Mm.
watching only English news only.
Okay, yes, but these are all your hobbies, right? You can say my hobbies are reading books and watching the news. You can say that.
Apart from all this, your YouTube channel also is, multiple times I am seeing this.
Yeah.
Your
Yes. This gives you kind of listening practice, right? When someone asks you something, how you can answer. So you get a lot of tips by watching conversations. Because
right
these are
now.
real life conversations, real people. They're sharing their experiences. So you will get to learn from this. Mm.
Speaking, madam, can you tell me
Sorry?
how I am speaking?
You have some grammatical errors, I can say. Grammatical
Uh,
errors. The correct thought, what you are saying, that is not being conveyed because you have
oh,
some issues with grammar here
grammar,
and there.
right? Then
Mm-hmm.
how to brush up in grammar, no?
You have to do your speaking practice.
Okay,
Listening
okay,
and speaking practice you have to do. And there are, you can watch some grammar videos and you can see how you can apply it in your speech. Through
right, right.
regular practice, you will be able to improve.
Okay, okay. Then I took the subscription in with Joe Stock 4 months ago. When I beginning, a lot of hesitation.
Mm,
Okay, now I am confidently speak what I am know. It is correct or wrong. That is another
mm.
matter. But speaking,
That's important. That's important. That is the first step to
right.
get out of your comfort level, and you should be able to speak. You should have confidence. You have gained that. Now you have to gain fluency and accuracy in your speech.
But some how I am learning this. If any foreigners came to with us in our office to meeting them, I have to speak them. I want to learn that fluency.
You want to be able to speak with them properly, right? You want to gain that fluency. Because what foreigners speak, it is difficult to understand their accent and their pace of which they speak very fast,
Right, right,
and their pronunciation is also different. Their accent is different, so it is a little bit challenging for Indians to understand their accent.
right.
From which countries do foreigners come to your workplace?
Singapore, Malaysia,
Okay, yeah.
Singapore, Malaysia, and exporting after procuring material. Here is producing production is taking production. After that, we are exporting to Nepal country. Nepal is in Hindi, no problem.
Yeah, yeah. Mm.
But I am
Right.
writing skill is also good, no problem.
Mm.
Not good. It is workable.
Workable, yeah. I read your mail, right? The writing skill was good, but you have to improve, speaking skills. Sorry. Right.
Yeah, listen to this talking. You are uploading YouTube channel. Then
Yes, yes.
how
Sorry.
can I then how can we watch this session now present we are taking?
This session you can watch on Skype. Now, when we disconnect the call, this session will be there on Skype, so you can watch. When I upload it on my YouTube channel, then you know my YouTube channel name, right? When you search my video, your video will be available.
It is huge expensive. That's why I
Yeah.
took the Joe stock
Yes.
is actually good, but there is no any guidance.
Ah,
Now you are telling me you have to speak, you have to grammar mistake. There is no in Joe stock. Nobody can give us any
yeah.
guidance.
Because you need one tutor to give you feedback. So that is why it is important that you have to learn with tutor.
Right, right. Next time I have to implement that what I am doing wrong. Right now.
Yes, yes. You have to correct your mistakes so that next time you don't repeat the same mistake. So that help, tutor will do for you. Sure,
I am
sure. I will. I will.
I am very happy to talk with you today.
Yeah.
Since
Yes.
last.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, then. Thank you so much for connecting today. Okay. Enjoy. Yeah. Bye bye.